Even with an influx of electric bikes in Guyana in recent years and several fatal accidents involving these vehicles, its use has remained entirely unregulated. Complaints are growing, and the Guyana Police Force and the Guyana Revenue Authority have been discussing its use in public roadways. But in the clearest indication yet, Attorney General Anil Nandlall on Tuesday said the amendments to the country's traffic laws are being finalized to ensure regulations are in place and to legally empower state agencies. The draft amendments will soon make its way to Cabinet for review and approval. Once approved, the parliamentary process will have to be followed to ensure the law is amended and subsequently enforced. Nandlall said the complaints from the general and travelling public have not fallen on deaf ears, and the government is prepared to act.
So amendments to the traffic laws and or regulations are already in draft for government's approval, and once they're approved, the procedure will have to be followed for them to be promulgated and become enforceable. We already have a traffic accident problem in this country. We already have a high incidence of road carnage.
On a daily basis, persons including children are seen riding these cycles without helmets or other protective gears. There have also been complaints about the reckless manner in which they traverse the roadway, and Nandlall said it is clearly a dangerous situation. Already, the government has amended the laws to address the issue of drunk driving and strict penalties for persons who engage in that type of behavior. Nandlall said the government is prepared to do the same as it relates to the use of electric bikes. Last month, the Guyana Revenue Authority clarified that it is not registering or licensing electric bikes in the absence of laws to govern its use. In a statement, the GRA said that should these requirements be implemented in the future, they will inform the public. With the amendments, it is expected that persons will have to get a valid driver's license to operate the e-bikes. In the past, there were a number of accidents involving electric bikes, and in some instances, lives were even lost. In February, 17-year-old Bibi Sophia Mohammed of Non-Prel Railway Embankment, East Coast Demerara, died while her sister was injured after the electric bike they were riding collided with a truck. For last year, there were 7 such fatalities.